Okay, in this lecture we are going to declare the detect object function, and inside that object I am passing the list of outputs and image as the frame. So this function is taking two argument. One is output, which is taking the reading the values from the coco.name file, and we are passing the frame image from the video capture. And for in that I am just iterating a loop of for each. I'm using for each loop for each output inside the outputs list, and I'm saying that just copy the output dot rows, iterate the loop over the rows, and just pass that data. I have created the variable row, and I'm just passing the data dot skip to it, and I'm creating another variable score. That inside this score variable I'm just performing the row skip of 5 rows and just passing it to that array. Because I need a little bit fast speed, just that's why I'm skipping off row. And after that I'm saying that just take the max score, the thing which is being mostly accurate match to the output, just display it. And then after that I have created the variable class id, and to that variable I'm just passing the index of score and max score to it. On the basis of that class id variable, it is going to give the label to that detected object. And I am using the confidence, this is the confidence threshold of 0.5. you can change this up to your requirement. You can use it 0.6, 0.7, but with that it need that if the higher accuracy will be matched. I'm saying that if the accuracy is greater than that of 50%, you have to show the value. I'm creating the match of, if the object match up to 50% or more, then just display the result. For that purpose I'm saying that if the object detected, just draw the rectangle over it and just show the label of that detected object and display it on our screen. So after that after that getting the result, I am just displaying that result in our list box. So for that purpose I have created that list box dot items dot add, and I'm just passing the date time at the time which the object is being detected, and I'm showing the name of that object which is being detected and its confidence value, that either it is 50% match or more than that of match with that of the object. So all this information are being captured and displayed in our data. Okay, now we are going to just run the program, and just click the green button on the top of the code. It will run the project. So now you will see the window form application running screen on my system. So first of all we need to start the webcam. For that purpose just go to the start button and click it. Now let's see, the video feed is being shown as well as the detection are being shown inside the list box item. So it's showing the bottle, spoon, mouse and keyboard. See, the detection result is little bit is quite slow. So if you want to improve the result, you can use GPU, and I will also cover the improvement of this detection algorithm in the next lectures as well. And one other issue which we are noticing is that it's showing multiple boxes. So in the next lecture we will also focus on that, so that we will only get the one box per item. And here it's showing the laptop, and we have detection like spoon, keyboard, bottle, now TV monitor. So it's displaying the time at which the detection is being performed, and it is also showing the